Assalamu alaikum. Do you struggle with multiplication of fractions? Don't miss. Watch this video and at the end you will thank me. Now, today we are going to talk about how you can multiply together fractions. You may multiply 2 fractions, 3 fractions, 4 fractions. It is based on the number of fractions that you have. Now, let's take an example. When you have 2 over 3 times 3 over 4 will be equal to what? For multiplication of fractions, it is very easy and simple. First of all, you have to observe numerators and also denominators. The way multiplication of fraction is very easy is that you multiply together numerators and also together denominators. Means that here we have 2 times 3 divided by 3 times 4. As you know how to multiply numbers, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then 3 times 4 is equal to 12. That is the answer. But sometime you will be asked multiply and simplify completely. To simplify this number, you will take, we have 6 over 12. When you want to simplify this fraction, we may either start by dividing to both sides by 2 and here by 2. You will have 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 over 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Also, those numbers, both numerator and denominators, can be divided by 3. Then also let us divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, and then 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then the answer will be equal to 1 over 2. This is the answer of fraction 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. The answer is equal to 1 over 2. This is how you can multiply together with fractions. Example number 2. You have 1 over 4 times 3 over 5. As usual, we multiply together numerators, means that you have 1 times 3 divided by 4 times 5. It means that we have 1 times 3 is equal to 3 divided by 4 times 5 is equal to 20. That fraction cannot be simplified more than this. Thank you for watching this video, and I know everyone is able to multiply together with fraction. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to share to the parent who have a student who is struggling with mathematics. Math Easy Rwanda is the solution for helping those students struggling with mathematics.